Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to see player count on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner we have the store, we have the library, the community, and your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see player count on Steam. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now to do it in no time. So to see player count for any game on Steam, you can use a website called Steam Charts. And here's how. So basically, first of all, you need to go and open Google and type in Steam Charts like this. Now the first that pops out, you need to click on there. Use the search bar to find the game you're interested in. So here you have search games and you can go and search a game that you're interested in. For example, let's go Counter Strike. Okay, I misspelled it, but you can go and of course find it also here. So you can click on Counter Strike. Check the stats and charts on the website to see the current player count, peak player count, and other relevant statistics. So you can do everything here. Last 30 days, as you can see, September, everything, peak players, gain, average players, and everything is here by months. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.